Song for them. You want ice cream? I'll give you ice cream. Or you sing Christmas song.
No.
I'll give you ice cream.
No.
Or sing make a Christmas song. Louder. Louder. Louder.
Caramel pala ang meron tayo. Dadaan tayo kay Chloe, bibili tayo ng mga caramel.
Say namamas ko po. Louder. Say louder. What did he say?
What will you say?
Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. O, ikaw, dali. Louder. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, how much is that?
Thank you po.
How much is that? How much? Can I see? Can I see your coin? Wow! How much is that? Ah, sing ka ulit, jingle bell. Sing ka ulit, jingle bell. You don't have a pocket. Where's your pocket? You don't have a pocket. Do you have a pocket? Oh, give it to Tatay first. Tatay will hold it for now. Dali. Give it to Tatay first.
Oh, you have 5 pesos. Let's buy some food.